Good evening, viewers, and welcome once again to the home of beautiful cars. We've got incredible cars arriving regularly, including this very, very rare Mercedes-Benz 2015 Night Edition, Obsidian black in colour, 2015 E250 coupe with only 68,000 kilometres. Is that stealth or what? Look at this magnificent car. You're not going to believe the price when I tell you in a second. Panoramic sunroof. Look at that. Red accents, red seatbelts, 2 keys, full history. Only 68,000 kilometres. AMG, factory AMG line, night edition. Only at the home of beautiful cars. This car's going to be under $40,000. You heard right, under $40,000. A car like this, Australia-wide delivery, finance arranged, trade-ins accepted, 3-year warranty. Wow.